Hi, Diti, Vignesh, and Satish. Entering the URL. First, I'm going to register the username and password for the new user. I'm giving as Satish and Satish as password. Submitting the values. Getting back to the login page. Re-entering the same values. For this part, we have done it for phase 2 and phase 3. Here we have in this part we have customized the UI layer. So for that to happen, we have to add one or two products into the database. For that, first you have to create the workflow. It's going to be adding view products, then adding a couple of web services, applying tags, coupon, discounts, and stuff like that, and submitting the values into the database. Getting back to the main page, adding some products, say laptop and computers. The price is, say we can enter the category. I finished entering some values into the database. Going back to the main page to customize the UI layer. Here I'm picking that option. Here this one is the interface for customizing the UI layer. I've given some options like header text, header image, font size, font style, footer links and side links. And header text is going to be like shopping mall. And header image, it's going to be I've given 4 images, and this time I'm selecting the fourth one. And font size, it's going to be Times New Roman. Font size is going to be H2. The font style is going to be underlined. The body font size I'm giving it as 4. The footer link I'm giving Facebook and Twitter, and side links as the registration view product. And submitting the values. Again, getting back to the main page. Let's see like what customization we have achieved. In the view page, like whatever that I've entered in the customization layer, I got it here. The image card to 4, and the text, like I have given it as underline, so I'm giving the same value here. And the text is going to be the Times New Roman, and the font size as you could see it here. The font size as 4, like where I entered in the customization page. Here we can change the value to have a different screen. So going back to the main page again, and trying to change the value. Edit text, this time I'm entering as welcome to online shopping. I'm changing the image. It's going to be card to this time around. Header font, Arial. uh, the font size, it's going to be, I'm reducing the value. It's going to be H3 this time. Head font size, I'm giving it as italic. The body font size I'm increasing to from 4 to 5. And the footer links and the side links is going to be the same. I'm submitting the values. Going back to the main page again, and see like what customization we have achieved. For that, we have to click the website. This time, like it's totally different image, and the font size, you could see it has increased from size 4 to 5. And last time we had underlined. This time we have it as italic, and the header and the footer link. And for new user, this one is for the customer, the end users. They have to get registered with the website, so they have to click the new user to see like to get registered with the website, and they are entering some password, submitting the values, and now they can enter into the website. So like they can see the product, like whatever like we have entered some time back, and it's going to be like whatever we have entered, laptop, computer, and camera, the price the same thing, like whatever just now we entered these values. And we can call this service the calculate payment, and see like it's 184.11 or something like that, yeah. And again I'm getting back to the main page. This time like I'm trying to change the customization layer. This time we are having some text like Satish and Vignesh. And the card one this time it's going to be card 3, Arial. I'm totally decreasing the header size, and the font size it's going to be bold this time, and the font size I'm increasing to 8. The footer link is going to be the Facebook. Let us see the website now. See like it has the font size we have clearly increased the value to 8. So the body text size and the image we have changed, and the footer size, the header, and so as the footer. Getting back to the main page, and that's it. Thank you.